Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing with you how I remove my blackheads and whiteheads using blackhead removal pen. This was gonna be little painful but 100% effective, and I'm gonna share with you few tricks that you should follow if you are removing your blackheads and whiteheads using blackheads removal pen. So let's begin with the video. Let's see how to remove blackheads, whiteheads using blackheads removal pen. So long. Okay, so let's get to the video. So I'm starting from my nose area, and I have lots of blackheads on my nose, and you will gonna need this blackheads removal pen. You can buy this online in 125 rupees or minimum 100 rupees. So all you need to do is to place the loop on your skin and gently press the skin inwards, and that helps you to bring your blackheads and whiteheads out. This will gonna be a bit painful, but that's really effective. This way you can pull out all the blackheads, dirt, dust, and even whiteheads. To extract the blackhead and whitehead smoothly, softly, there are a few tips that you should follow. First of all, wash your face with regular face wash. Then if possible, do scrubbing. And the third thing is take hot compression. I mean to give your face to your skin hot compression using lukewarm water, or you can use hot towel to give hot compression to your skin. This will soften up the skin and open the pores, and that will help your skin, and that will help you to squeeze out, to extract the blackheads and whiteheads more easily. Do not directly use pen on your skin to extract the blackhead and whiteheads. This will not gonna help you because that time your pores are actually closed, so that will not gonna help you in any way. Once you are done with the process, take a clean cotton and clean your nose, clean the affected area and your pen too. Now as you can see, I'm using the same pin on my apple of my cheeks because I have few blackheads here too. So on my face, wherever I have blackheads or whiteheads, I use this pen to remove all my blackheads, and even on whiteheads. Right now I don't have whiteheads, so I can't show you how I remove it, but yes, this is the same process with which you can remove your blackheads and whiteheads too. While doing this on your apple of your cheeks or other face area, do not pressurize the pen on your skin too much. Do it gently, otherwise you would get a scratch, or you will get injury on your face. So that's not a good option. Gently press it on your skin, do not overdo it. One more thing you have to keep in mind, that before using this pen and after using this pen, wash it with warm water, or you can use Dettol antiseptic liquid to wash it off, because that's really important to avoid any kind of infection. Otherwise you might get infected. So keep in mind to wash it before and after with any antiseptic liquid or warm water. Okay, so I'm done with removing my blackheads and whiteheads. Now the second process that I usually do is I use alum on my face. I just rub it on my face to avoid any kind of infection, because alum is antiseptic stone and it helps your skin to prevent any kind of infection. It also closes the open pores. People use different methods to close their open pores, but personally I like to use alum because alum is really good and helpful in many issues related to acne prone skin. So guys, I hope you find this video helpful. If you do so, then don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, share my video, and please share it with lots of people, with your friends, with your family, and please help me to grow larger. This is all for today. Stay home, stay healthy, stay safe. If you have any query related to anything, related to health, related to hair, related to skin, you can leave it in comment. I will be back soon in my next video. Till the next time, take care, have a very nice day. Bye bye.